Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can stop background apps in Windows 11 to improve your PC's performance. So let's get started. If your Windows 11 computer feels slow or takes a long time to respond, background apps could be using valuable system resources. Here are two simple ways to reduce them. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left sidebar, select Apps, then click Installed Apps. Find the app you want to stop from running in the background. Click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Advanced Options if this option is available. Scroll down to Background App Permissions, open the drop-down menu, and set it to Never. This prevents the app from running in the background when you're not using it. Another way to improve performance is by disabling unnecessary startup apps. Go back to the Apps section in Settings and open Startup. Here, you'll see a list of apps that automatically launch when your computer starts. Turn off the ones you don't need to start automatically. This helps reduce boot time and frees up system resources, making your PC run more smoothly. After making these changes, you should notice better overall performance and fewer apps running in the background. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.